OPPO F9, and let me show you how to enter here recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Keep holding power. Slide down to power off the device. Then when your phone is completely switched off, let's use this combination of keys. Power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys. Power key and volume down, and release them as soon as OPPO logo pops up on the screen. The phone is booting into recovery mode, so let's wait a couple of seconds. And here let's choose the language. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key, or you can simply tap appropriate options. So this is Color OS Recovery. Here you can install update from the storage, you can use online update, you can press wipe data and accomplish this operation. Here you can also check disk or use version 1.2. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose reboot or power off. Let me choose reboot tab. And that's it, the home screen pops up. Now you can start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.